We are not talking about factory workers. We are not talking about robots on assembly lines. We are talking about your job, the accountant, the writer, the analyst. One task at a time. And most people have no idea it is already happening. Let us go back to the promise. Your parents told you, work hard, get a degree, get a stable job, build a comfortable life. The middle class was the backbone of America. A family could survive, even thrive on one income. Buy a house, own a car, save a little, retire with dignity. For millions of Americans, that was the deal. You give your time, your skills, your loyalty, and that company gives you stability in return. It worked for your grandparents, for your parents, maybe even for you. For a while, but something changed. Something nobody put on the news. Something that crept in quietly. Through software updates, through automation pilots, through efficiency improvements in boardrooms you will never sit in. The deal changed, and nobody asked you. Just like that. Here's what most people still don't understand. For 200 years, machines replaced muscle. Tractors replaced farmers. Machines replaced factory workers. Robots replaced assembly lines. And every single time, the story was the same. Do not worry. New jobs will be created, and they were right. Because machines could not think. They could lift, weld, calculate, but not think. Because in November 2022, something changed forever. ChatGPT launched. And within 5 days, it had 1 million users. Within 2 months, 100 million. The fastest growing technology in human history.
I'll get the numbers. I'm pulling the
And
data.
every CEO sat up straight and asked the same question. How many of my employees am I actually paying to think? The answer was, most of them. The writer creating marketing copy. The analyst building reports.
I understand your concern.
The service rep answering emails. The junior lawyer doing research. The junior developer writing basic code. All doing exactly what AI can now do. Goldman Sachs released a report. 300 million jobs globally could be affected by AI automation. In the United States alone, 63% of jobs have tasks that AI can already partially perform. Not future AI, current AI, the AI that exists right now, today. And companies are not waiting for some distant future. They are acting now, quietly, strategically. This is how it actually happens. They do not fire everyone at once. That would cause panic. Instead, they introduce an AI tool to help employees work faster. It will make your job easier, they say. And employees, relieved they still have a job, say, thank you. Then quietly, they stop hiring replacements. Why hire a new analyst? When the AI handles the extra workload, the team shrinks from 10 to 8, from 8 to 5, from 5 to 2. 2 people managing what used to need an entire department. No layoff notices, no headlines, just silence. IBM announced it would pause hiring for 7,800 roles. BT Group cut 55,000 jobs, with AI replacing up to 10,000 of them. These are not small companies. Chegg saw its stock drop 40% in a single day after admitting ChatGPT was destroying their business. These are profitable businesses, making calculated decisions. The math is brutally simple. One AI subscription costs $20 a month. One mid-level employee costs $80,000 a year. The board meeting takes 5 minutes. Decision made. People gone. This is not greed. This is economics. Any company that does not adapt will not survive. So who exactly is at risk? Let us be specific. Because this is not abstract anymore. Entry-level office workers are first to go. The 22-year-old who just graduated. The one who took an internship to get experience. The problem? AI now has more experience than any intern ever will. Content creators and writers are next. Marketing copy, blog posts, email campaigns, social media captions. AI produces them in seconds. For pennies, accountants and financial analysts, jobs that required 5 years of training, are being replaced by AI that processes faster with fewer errors. Customer service, one of the largest employment sectors in America, gutted by AI chatbots that never lose patience. Paralegals, radiologists, recruiters, researchers. Every single one has the same story. We thought we were safe. We thought thinking was our protection. It was not. The middle class was built on the idea that skilled knowledge work was valuable. AI just made knowledge work cheap. And nobody in a boardroom will say it out loud. Every generation has faced disruption. And every generation was told, adapt or fall behind. But here is why this moment is different. Every previous wave of automation created new jobs at the bottom. Farmers became factory workers. Office workers replaced factory workers. There was always a next rung on the ladder. But AI does not just automate the bottom. It automates the middle and the top simultaneously. It writes, reasons, designs,
We must act.
diagnoses,
The projections, they
codes,
show volatility.
and creates.
Volatility is the cost.
And it improves
Proceed.
every single month. Faster than humans can retrain. The retraining programs do not exist at scale. The safety nets were not built for this speed. And the companies profiting from this shift have no legal obligation to slow down. This is not a conspiracy. This is capitalism, doing exactly what it was designed to do. Find the most efficient path forward. The only problem is, you are standing in that path, and the window to respond is closing. So what do? That is the question I know you are asking. And I am not going to lie to you with a tidy answer, because the honest truth is this. The people who built this economy, who studied, worked, sacrificed, and played by the rules, are being left out of the conversation about its future. Nobody voted for this. Nobody was asked. It just happened. And it will keep happening. Unless people start paying attention. Unless people start talking. Unless people start demanding that this revolution includes a plan for those it is displacing. AI is quietly destroying the middle class. Share this with someone who needs to see it.